How to fix Steam must be running to play this game. So hi guys, the first thing that we can do is to simply just go to our PC screen and click on Steam, right click, run as administrator, and that's about it. Second way is to simply open our Steam app, and by then, once we have opened it, go to the upper left hand corner and click on Steam. Now check for Steam client updates. Click on that one. And as you can see, your Steam client is already up to date. Now, the next option is to go to your library section and choose your game. Now, on your chosen game, go to the settings and simply select on properties. Now in the properties section, go to your local files. Once you've clicked on your local files, verify integrity of tool files. And there you have it. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.